Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MIW Mervin's Inventive World. Today I am here with a new video. I will show you how to make a 3D hologram. And before that, if you are not subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Even don't forget to click the bell icon so that when I post a new video, you will be getting the notifications. Let's start our video. First you have to take a sheet of paper and draw a 6 cm line on it. After drawing the 6 cm line, mark the center of it. Now draw a 3.5 cm line through the center of the 6 cm line. Now draw a 1.5 cm line through the top of the 3.5 cm line. Now join the edges. After joining the edges, take a scissors and cut it. Now take a old CD cover and stick the paper on it. After sticking, take a DVD marker and trace through it. After tracing it, take a knife or a paper cutter and cut it. You have to cut 4 pieces like this. After cutting it, take a small cello tape and stick it. After sticking the cello tape, take a hot glue gun and stick it. Now our 3D hologram is ready. Let's check how it works. Try yourself at home. You will be amazed. Hope you all enjoyed this video.